Hey man, it's your work Chris Lee, aka CEasy. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the lifestyle. Welcome back to another video. So I'm gonna have to make this intro, pretty quick because we got like 5 minutes before the drop. But we have a Faze X Antisocial or Assc drop coming, and this is gonna be basically like a live copy. You know what I'm saying? I'm buying one of the pieces to go ahead, and I'm essentially just gonna resell it. We got a few minutes. I'm excited for the drop. It's to bring a little bit more buzz back to Assc. If you guys didn't know, I really didn't mess with the Antisocial Social Club in high school because they had their stuff in packs, and where I was from, essentially everybody who wanted to get a little bit of drip, they would all go to Paxton. And my thing that I was annoyed with is like, I can go ahead and buy myself multiple drippy outfits just to go to school. First day of school, they have the same exact outfit as someone else, and I always hated that, so I always stayed away from them. But they are hard. They do have a lot of collabs and whatnot coming, and they have been doing a lot of collabs. So I will be keeping my eye out for them, especially if you guys miss out any of the pieces. Make sure that y'all follow the Easy Resell page. I got a good amount of pieces coming, and I have even more that I plan on buying with the coming drop. So you guys stay tuned for that one. It's gonna be crazy heat. But without further ado, man, if you're new to the channel, I'm gonna need you guys go down below, subscribe, grow to 10,000 subscribers, and y'all smash with that like button. I need 100 likes on this video for more live cops. But anyways, let's get this video started. Bro, I am freaking dumb. It's live right now, bruh. Please don't sell out. We need a log. Come on. Bro, I'm dumb. So freaking dumb. View card. Come on, come on. Come on. Oh shoot, I thought I had time, bruh. Like literally. I literally thought I had time. I have no idea what I'm doing, bruh. Get that autofill coming. That's what the boy. What? They got $12.50 for domestic shipping, bro. Bro, this better come quick. Come on. I don't even know what the top of this shirt looks like. Let me see something. I said top. I don't even know what the front looks like. Hopefully I picked the right color. Hopefully. Man, I didn't even get no time to freaking talk with this one. We went straight into it. Essentially, they said they was gonna drop at what's the time? I think they said 8 a.m. PST, and over here in Texas, that should be about like 10 o'clock. 2 minutes early, they went ahead and dropped it. I mean, I'm not tripping as long as I cop it, but it's actually annoying. Making some risky plays, man. But yeah, you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna be having all these pieces essentially up on the resale page. I'm gathering a few items as of right now. Just like the 4th item I have on the way. Yeah, went ahead and copped this one. So I got 4 items on the freaking way. And now I can actually do an in-depth review. So now that we got the copping out of the way, let me exit out of this page. Easy cop right over there. Okay, so essentially, if you guys didn't know, right now I'm in a risky position because the boy has low-key been swiping away. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I've been swiping away. And essentially, my plan is to just gather a lot of pieces. Tomorrow, there's a Warren Lotus drop. And if y'all don't know about Warren Lotus, bro, I've been wanting to get a piece from him / make a video reviewing his, like, pieces for, like, a long time. I'm talking about probably over, like, I want to say over a year, which is, like, that's like whenever I took notice of him. I took notice of him because he does a lot of like NBA style stuff, you know what I'm saying? And he always does like, he has really cool graphics and getting more buzz. He has to drop tomorrow, so I may do a live cop for that one, but just know my pockets is, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so now we're gonna take a look at each and every single one of the pieces. So the prices for the Antisocial Social Club, they're pretty standard if we look at like the past things and whatnot. But you can go ahead and see some pieces have already sold. Whoa, no way! A $10,000 PC has already sold out. That's insane. I'm not surprised that the mouse pad sold out, just because, you know, a lot of gamers and whatnot. That's crazy, bro. If they had a PS4 controller, I feel like it'll probably be sold out. Okay, so we're gonna take a look at the white, the Assc X Faze Clan white tee. Got it right over here. You know, it's nice, it's straight. I went with the red because, I mean, red is my favorite color, and I feel like it'll go for a lot, you know what I mean? My guess was that the black or red would go for the most. Hopefully, I didn't take an L on that one. But as we can see, we got the logo up close, right over here, and then straight like that. Nice, cool piece. I feel like any of the hoodies would have been a good cop, but I'm not trying to drop a bill. I'm gonna look at this one. We have the Assc X Faze Clan black hoodie. You know, it's pretty standard. It's nice. It's Faze Clan with the antisocial logo written all over it. But it's just a hype between the two coming together. You know what I'm saying? However, if you ever see a Warren Notice and antisocial, and Faze Clan collab, I feel like it'll be dope. It'll be like more. It'll just be more graphics. It won't just be the logo speaking. Then we have the little pink hoodies. A nice clean. I'm messing with it. Like, it's nothing, like, none of this stuff is stuff that I would just go crazy for, which is why I literally just bought it to resell it, you know what I mean? And that's like essentially it. But I do mess with it. But yeah, in my opinion, the red one goes the hardest. You know what I'm saying? Especially size large. I feel like it definitely does go the hardest. I feel like, I'm happy with that cop. You know what I'm saying? Even though it was about like 62, I'm actually pretty curious to see where the resale will go with this. One of you guys really did convince me to go ahead and pull the trigger on this, because at first I was kind of on the fence about it. But then I was, you know what I'm saying, I was having a little chat with one of you guys who was kind of breaking it down, saying like how this could actually be a good, easy resale opportunity. And I'm just like, you know what, might as well go ahead and pull the trigger. Hopefully for like the upcoming drops, I'm gonna have enough money to go ahead and, you know, pull the trigger a little bit more. Cause I do want to up my personal collection with the newer things. Like we have the Travis Scott X McDonald's coming up. We have the Tech X V-Long. We have Warren Lotus. There's so many freaking pieces. Some of them I'm just forgetting, but there are a lot of things coming up. There's still going to be a revenge drop coming up in the future. There's just a whole bunch of things to kind of just be on the lookout for. So I still want to have a good amount of cash for them, because those are like where I feel like the real money makers. Like that Travis Scott McDonald's, that TKX V-Loan, we already know that you're at minimum going to be able to double or triple your money. So that's where most of my money is going to go. But for the resale page, I still want to have a variety. I want you guys to just have like a good variety to choose from. So you just know it's not only going to be hype stuff. It's going to be like tour merch. It's going to be, you know, things like this. It's a whole variety. So forget everything streetwear. Make sure you drippy, man. You know what I'm saying? When you're going back to school, all that, you got a new hub to shop at. It is at _easy resale. But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, I need you guys to smash up that like button. If you're new to the channel, man, go ahead and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Road to 10,000 subscribers. And I got 2 questions for you guys before we sign this video off. 1, let me know if you guys went ahead and copped it. 2, what do you think the resale predictions are going to be like? Y'all think it's going to be crazy, or do you think it's going to be whack? I'm hoping it's crazy, because we went ahead and pulled the trigger, and they shipping is $12.50. You know what I'm saying? Which is higher than most of these other places. I ain't even gonna lie. But anyways, it's your boy Chris Lee, aka CEasy, and I'm out.
I got a lot on my mind. 16 and 0 and that's 9. I got AK with the scores and 9. Undercover.